What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys saw in our last video, we finally put a new transmission in the Z. Well, new to me transmission. And if you're new to the channel, this is my 2003 350Z that is swapped with a 3.7 liter VHR out of a 370Z or a G37. So what I'm going to do now is going to go ahead and put trans fluid, check for any leaks, make sure everything's good, and then lower it down, and hopefully we could take it on a test drive. Florida is very bipolar today, and it really looks like it's gonna rain, so maybe I can get this done quick and at least take it around the block and make sure everything is in working order. So for the transmission fluid that I like to run, we got Redline MT85. I also have used the MT90 as well, but yep, this is what I picked up. So I'm gonna go ahead, throw that in the car now, and then get it down on the ground and hopefully drive her out of here. All right, guys, so car is officially on the ground. Trans is filled with fluid. Let's go ahead and start this thing real quick, let it idle, and then we're going to set you guys up on a GoPro inside the car and go for a test drive. Haven't started this thing in a while. Oh. So here's the first test. Put the e-brake down, throw it in gear. First, second, third, fourth. Let's see reverse. Reverse goes in. Clutch off. Hey, we're moving. Let's get it. I mean, I knew it would work, but there's always that thought in the back of your mind, you know? So, seems good. Nice. Personally, you know how much I love this car, and when it's down, it sucks, but hopefully everything goes well right now. There's first. So like, I'm like second guessing everything just because like I haven't driven this car in so long. That little triangle bracket on top of the trans. Whatever, let's just drive. caffeine, bro. So happy. I missed this car. Oh, I'm gonna drive right past him too. He about to be pissed. He's tight, that's for sure. Alright guys, well, now that we got the Z up and running and everything is going smooth, it's only right that I invest into something that I should have probably done a long time ago, but this part is extra taxed. We finally got an A-pillar for the driver's side, and luckily it's in black. So I'm gonna go grab that out of the car now. We're gonna take this old stuff off and then slap the new one on there. It's such a great piece. I hate when these things break because they're $500 if you want to get them brand new, painted, which is, in my opinion, ridiculous for a piece of plastic, but it is what it is. So I got a good deal from one, got it from a used car. Shout out to Jeremiah, thank you for that. So yeah, let's get it, set you up on a time lapse, and just go ahead and install this thing. Alright guys, so there you have it. I installed it. Man, it's crazy what a difference these pillars do. It's crazy. I mean, my roof is still clapped, but at least the A-pillar's back on, and shit, paint looks better than the whole car. But yeah, I mean, I'm just happy to have it finally. I hate having that missing. It's such a like eyesore. But yeah, so we're gonna hop back in the car, maybe do a couple real pulls for you guys before we close out this video. So let's hop into that. Well guys, after that last pull, this is how things ended. Nothing's mechanically wrong with the car, but some of the relays and wiring stuff that I have for the whole swap kind of failed, so it left me stranded. I wasn't getting power to the ECU or to the fuel pump, but it's all part of the game. So I'm gonna end this video here. Like, comment, subscribe. In the next one, we're gonna fix this thing, and we're gonna also broadcast our my new daily. So see you in the next one. Peace.